Hi everybody, it's Derek. Wanted to get another video in on him excavating today. Thursday, April 15th, 2010. There. And he's excavating over there, and he says that the plan is to have a house built like right there, and it's all gonna slope off. And holy God, wow, got a lot done over there. Oh, sorry, geez. Got a little bit zoned out, I guess. Yeah, and the owner of the sand pit, just to make conversation, he said he wants to watch the videos that I take, so I'm just gonna say in this video just what a nice person he is, and I wanted to thank him for the compliment on how polite I am. I mean, not to boast or anything. Oh, I'm so polite. It makes me #1. Yeah, really. And, I wanted to say that he's a good operator, obviously. Not as good as me, though. No, I'm only kidding. I love operating, though. And, squeaky truss, obviously. And I wanted to say like I said before, what a nice person he is, and he's kind and stuff, I guess. Well, yeah. He's generous and he lets me take the videos and stuff, and I just want to say thank you to him and for everything that he's like talking to us and stuff. Nice bucket. Whee! I see what he's doing. I see why. That's why. Oh. So he does that, like, normally you can move one truck one way and the other one the other way just to do a turn, but apparently either it doesn't have enough power, well, I mean, it's too old to do that, maybe. Or just because he needs oil, like, because it would help having it, like, it easier for it to turn. Good operator. Hard, like, puts the bucket down, lets it run full throttle, and then lets it go down, or whatever. He's good. Now that sounds like a good machine. Nice. Good operator, checks his oil. You need to. Smokes blue all the time. Don't know how much oil it burns. All I know is that usually these machines have like 1.5 miles of dipstick. Nice rain cap. Jeez. Thing gets any looser and it'll come right off. I don't know if you can see it, it's going like back and forth like this. That's all. Bye.